What's up guys, this is Chief Charlie doing his own thing. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to install a tow hitch to Toyota Prius 3rd generation. The hitch I got from NAPA and the model number is 809-5298. And the same model has on the CURT 11276. There are a few models out there with different maker and different shape. Some have like square piping and mine's are circular. And most of them don't require any drilling, which is pretty easy. So let's get party started. Start off, you need a hitch from the store. You need a ratchet extension and 17 socket and the 19 socket. It's in my pocket. 4 bolts came in with the washer, have little tips here. It's kind of concave shape, so once you push it in, it kind of engages in. Their instruction and the torque wrench. So let's get it started. So I'm starting with the driver's side. Now I need to remove this hook. It needs the 17mm socket with the extension. 2 bolts from this side and another 2 from the other side. Now on the right side, you gotta move those 2 bolts out here. This muffler, it's not necessary need to move, just need to kind of push to the right, and then you kind of make a select for yourself. So that's another way to do it. If you wanted to, you can take it off, but I'll do without it. Just make sure your muffler is cooled down enough to work on. You don't want to get burned. So 4 bolts and the washers came off, so we're gonna go with 19mm. And I like preload them before I install them, especially when you work your own. So it will make it easier when you tilt a little bit to be in there inside a panel. So you feel once kind of engages in there, then you don't have to hold on the other side. So do the left first and go to the right, and then left and then right. On the right side, hitch flange goes to the frame of the body. You kind of sandwich there what the parts were there already. Once it's engaged, then it's a piece of cake. If you have somebody to help you, then there'll be a piece of tiramisu. So yeah, now it's kind of set up, then you gotta tighten up. That's all it. So now torque is down 86 foot-pounds. It's torqued down, and then the hitch is successfully installed. Yep. So now you gotta enjoy your tow life with the hitch. This to this and this. Hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. I believe my channel will be helpful for you. And be safe out there, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.